Good morning. Welcome to Cupertino High School and welcome to Winter MelonJam, hosted by the Cupertino Game Development Club. We love to see our game developers interpret our themes in all kinds of creative ways, and we're thrilled to kick off an incredible weekend of creativity, collaboration, and innovation. Our team continues to build on MelonJam to create amazing experiences for our participants. Today, we're going to make some huge announcements. We'll be talking about our community, as well as introducing some exciting prizes. So to get us started, I'd like to hand things over to Alex.
We have so much to cover today. Let's start off with the basics. Winter MelonJam begins right now, and it runs for 72 hours, giving you 3 full days to imagine something new, build something wonderful, and bring your ideas to life. MelonJam offers 3 divisions: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. For more information on divisions, take a look at this flowchart. You must at least be in the division you qualify for, but jumping up divisions would be a great way to challenge yourself and give you an opportunity to win larger prizes. At the end of the jam, we'll be releasing a feedback form to collect the opinions of our community. By filling out this feedback form, you're entering a chance to win a collection of raffle prizes, as well as helping us make each MelonJam better than the last. Raffle winners will be announced on Discord on January 5th, and the full jam winners will be announced on January 12th. Both of these dates are subject to change depending on the number of submissions we get. If you haven't yet, please join the MelonJam Discord channel. On top of keeping up with MelonJam events, you can use our Discord to search for team members, ask for development help, and post progress pictures of your game, as well as show off your amazing projects once completed. We have many voice channels for streaming, voice chatting, and fun activities during the jam. If you're still not convinced, may I present pet pictures? We have a dedicated channel where you can post your dog, cat, or other pet pictures. Now, let's quickly go over the MelonJam rules. Team size is limited to 4 people, but teams larger than 4 will be allowed to participate without the chance to win prizes. Use of outside or pre-made assets is allowed, but if you decide to do so, please be sure to keep a document of which assets were pre-made. Once again, you must be in the division you qualify for or higher, or you will be disqualified for smurfing. Generative AI of any kind is strictly prohibited, whether that's for code, assets, or ideas. Finally, remember to follow the theme. You can get as creative as you want with all sorts of interesting and wacky interpretations. We have a variety of software, game assets, and monetary prizes. We also have participant prizes, which all participants can claim right now and use during the jam, such as a 30% off Cinti Store discount code. Finally, we have raffle prizes, which will be distributed after the jam. Next, I'd like to introduce you to some of our gold sponsors. With Stay Synchronized Networking, Input Synchronized Deterministic Multiplayer, and support for Unity and Unreal Engine, I think Photon Engine is truly incredible. To tell you more, here's Lindsay.
Proton is the global leader in multiplayer technology, empowering AAA studios, professional teams, indies, and hobbyists alike. Trusted by over 1 million developers worldwide, Proton powers thousands of live games and connects over 1.5 billion monthly active players across all major gaming platforms. Their cutting-edge state synchronization and deterministic networking solutions simplify the creation and operation of global multiplayer gaming hits, setting the industry benchmark for performance and scalability. Next, I'll be happy to introduce We Love Indies as another gold sponsor. We Love Indies is a game audio platform that provides independent game developers with a library of professional sound effects and music. With over 2,300 projects in the video game, TV, and film industry, We Love Indies connects game developers with a vast library of handcrafted professional songs, sound effects, and sound packs. Finally, let's take it to Cinti Studios to wrap up on gold sponsors. Cinti is a world leader in low poly asset packs for Unity, Unreal, film, TV, game development, and more. They have an extensive library of high-quality assets and animation-ready characters, perfect for any project. And for our silver sponsors, we have CraftBits, your go-to source for high-quality game assets. Graphics offers a wide variety of free and premium game assets, including 2D sprites and characters, animated objects and enemies, backgrounds and tile sets, user interface elements, isometric and pixel art assets, and much more. Now our bronze sponsors. We have Sprite, a popular pixel art tool for sprites and animations. Armory, a 3D content creation suite. Pixel Edit, a cheap and user-friendly pixel art editor. Kenny, creator of game dev tools and both 2D and 3D assets. AOPS, an educational platform that provides online classes. XYZ, a website domain hosting service. All of these sponsors will be providing prizes for game winners. Tell you about our prizes, here's Grace.
Winter MelonJam 2025 has over $10,000 worth of prizes for our participants to win. Our novice prizes are a great help for participants getting into game development. Our intermediate prizes allow experienced participants to further their game development journey, and our advanced prizes offer the tools for expert developers to take their games to the next level. Let's start with the novice division. Our novice prizes start out with 4 amazing CraftPix memberships and a €100 We Love Indies voucher for great pre-made sprites and sounds, and includes Aspirate and Pixel Edit keys for designing custom sprites. First place gets you access to an Armor Paint key for breathtaking 3D assets. Next, we're super excited to enhance all these prizes for our intermediate division. It's the ideal choice for moderately experienced game developers and beginners looking to challenge themselves. Intermediate prizes feature the same base prizes as our beginner division, with an additional 2 XYZ domains for developers looking to showcase their work on a personal website. And for second and first place winners, a $25 AOPS coupon for textbooks or courses. And now to take this event to unprecedented heights, we have prizes for one more division, and that's our advanced division. It features the incredibly powerful Photon engine plans, with third place receiving 100 CCU a month for a whole year. Second place will be rewarded 500 CCU a month, an incredible 1,500 value, and first place will gain access to their incredible Gaming Circle Starter subscription, featuring advanced dashboard features, single sign-on, and much more. And of course, advanced prizes continue to include the same base prizes as intermediate. So that's the remarkable prizes of Winter MelonJam 2025. And now to tell you about the exciting theme, here's Calvin.
The theme is the central element of every game jam, from small local game jams to the global GMTK. This year, we're introducing one of our most exciting themes yet, fitting for any genre of game. This year's theme involves disguises and covering up, where theater and comedy meets patterned, shining light, and where even the most generic objects are isolated. The theme for Winter MelonJam 2025 is Mask. A mask is most commonly defined as a covering worn on the face or an object depicting a face. For the more technically inclined, mask can also refer to computing masks, a bit pattern used to extract information, image masks applied to digital images to cut out the background or other unwanted features, or photo masks, used to create the circuit layers in IC fabrication. For more ideas on how the theme can be interpreted, be sure to check out the Wikipedia page. Now back to Alex.
Wow! I can't wait to see what kind of games y'all will create with that theme. I can tell there will be a lot of interesting stealth-based games already. And that's Winter MelonJam 2025. An amazing community, all new prizes, and an all-encompassing theme. There really isn't anything else to ask for. Now, back to Matthew.
Thank you to Alex and to all of our presenters. What a big day of announcements for our participants. Thank you to all of our amazing developers, artists, and sound developers for continuing to create amazing games. And thank you to everyone for joining us today. Did not read that. I did not have it memorized. Okay. Wow. What a Okay. Thank you to all of our developers, artists, and sound designers continuing to create amazing games. And thanks to everyone for joining us here today. We've got an amazing weekend ahead of us. Let's have a great Winter MelonJam.